Hi, welcome to Innovation Electronics. In this video, I'm going to explain IoT based drainage monitoring system. So in this project, you can find 4 sensors here. That is gas sensor. That is gas sensor 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first sensor is a CO2 sensor, and another one is a CH3. That is methane, and another one is H2S, and another one is NH3. Okay. So I used 4 sensors in order to find 4 different harmful gases. Actually, what is the concept of this project? This project which mainly used for drainage. Whenever the people going to rework in drainage, the system will help for them. Okay, which means if any harmful gas found inside of the drainage system, the system will automatically find actually what are the gases are inside of the drainage, like CO2, methane, or whatever any gas present inside of the system, it will automatically identify. Okay, and one more thing I also added here, that is a DHT11 sensor, which is used to measure temperature as well as humidity also, which means if any industry or if any persons going to distribute in hot water inside of the drainage, so that also harmful for some human beings. Okay, so in order to find the temperature, I also added one humidity sensor, that is a DHT11 sensor. Okay, so this is a DHT11 sensor which is used to measure temperature as well as humidity also. Fine. And then I used one ultrasonic sensor also in order to find the water level. If any drainage getting very highest level of drainage getting level is full, the system will automatically identify by using of this kind of ultrasonic sensor. And then I used one GSM modem also. Actually, I used SIM 900. This modem acts as a SMS. This modem is used to send a SMS as well as updating data through cloud. I am using ThinkSpeak server in order to monitor the data. Okay, so this is a Arduino. This is a commonly used for project student project purpose, which is one of the open source platform. I used here Arduino. We can do the same project in Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega. That's not an issue, but the concept is which is used to measure the drainage system. Okay, fine. And also I used one 16 cluster LCD display. Fine. Actually, you can find here that is one of the DC to DC buck converter. Why I used it here? Actually, in common project I am using 7805 regulator only, but in this project separately I used one DC to DC buck converter. Why? Because in 7805, if you are using voltage regulator, that is 7805, that is provide maximum current rating 5 volt and 500 milliamps also. Like maximum 600 milliamps it can able to delivery. If you're taking more than current, if you're taking more than 600 milliamps, what will happen? The voltage is getting more heat, which means it is a possibility for getting damage. Okay, so that's why in order to avoid any issues, that's why I added one buck converter. This is one of the buck converter which is used to convert 12 volt into 5 volt by using this kind of potentiometer, which is used to vary the output voltage. What kind of output we need, like a 5 volt or 3.3 volt. So whatever the volt you want, you can just vary the potentiometer in order to get the desired voltage. Okay, fine. So I used actually the main thing of this buck converter, which is able to provide up to 3 amps, 5 volt up to 3 amps it can able to provide. So which means there is no heat found inside of the top of the module. Okay, fine. So I'm going to show the practical demo. Simply I'm going to turn on the project. Okay, now project is getting on. I am getting a power from 12 volt 1 amps power adapters power supply. Okay, now you can find, so display is getting on. So it will take some time for configuration the GSM access internet. Okay, that's why it will taking some time. After internet configuration is completed, the system will automatically send all data in cloud. Okay, so we have to wait for 5 seconds. So after that it will automatically updating data in cloud. Okay, fine. Now you can find the LCD. Now it's showing a internet activation completed. Please check the GSM. Okay, fine. Now internet configuration is completed, which means the internet is connected. Now you can find the sensor value S1, S2, and S3. It is nothing. S1 is a sensor 1, and sensor 2, and sensor 3. Okay, and also I displayed water level and temperature, humidity also. Okay, so now it will showing the data. Then after few seconds it automatically going to update in ThinkSpeak server. So while updating it will take minimum 10 seconds, because the ThinkSpeak server we need to make some delay in each and every data. First we have to, if your data updated one data, then next data we have to wait minimum 13 seconds, then only the ThinkSpeak will receive the data properly. Now okay, now find the water level 249 and temperature is 32 and humidity is 67. I am collecting the data from the DHT sensor. Now it's again is going to updating the data. So we have to wait for 10 seconds. Then you can find the S1, S2. S1, S2 is nothing. It's a gas sensor value. 68, S2 is a 104, S3 is a 457. Okay. For demo purpose, manually I'm going to increase the value. Okay. So previously you can find S1 is some 2-digit value. Fine. Simply I'm going to use some gas. Actually, this is one of the body spray containing some gases. I'm going to simply spray the inside of the box. We don't spray directly sensor because it is getting settled now. It will showing random output. So I'm going to, you can find now data is 59. S1 is 59. So I'm sprayed gas inside of the system. So what happened? Now it's going to update. After updating, I'm going to simply place the gases inside of the gas sensor S1. Okay. So previously you can find that the sensor is 51. Now you can see the data. So data is 576. So that time the sensor will automatically finding the maximum value. That time it automatically send SMS also in particular persons. Okay, fine. So these are the complete project. I added one buzzer also. If any harmful gases found, the system will automatically sending data also. Okay, fine. So if you have doubt regarding this project, you can contact our office number. Thank you for watching.